Okay, it's the morning of day 2. We're going to do our first feeding. It's about 20 hours later, and then I'll do another one this evening at 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the evening for the next several days. Take the coffee filter off, look in. We've got some little bubbles happening. It looks kind of a little puffy. Not sure if that's just what it would look like or if we got bacteria going. Half a cup of stuff. Flour. We'll say the same flour blend as I used yesterday. And I'm cupping it so I don't pour a bunch on the counter. Decided it's a little easier without the tea towel. Spring water, so we don't introduce any unwanted chlorine to our little microbial system here. Half a cup of water. I forgot to get my chopstick, grabbing it out of the dishwasher. Perfectly clean chopstick. Pouring the water in. Let's see if I can get some of that off the side. It didn't help. Pouring the water in. Giving it a stir. It's pretty thick. And some of the shows I've seen, some of the other information makes it seem a little liquidier, so I'm going to add a tiny bit more water. I did see one that said add some plus a little bit more, so I'm doing some plus a little bit more. Hopefully I'm not wrecking any science here. So pretty thick thus far. I'll read up some more and we'll course correct this evening if I need to. Assuming that's all fine, we'll just take some still photos this evening to show you what's going on. All right, we're covering it back up, and we're going to put it, I said leave it on the counter. You want it to be kind of in a warmish area, so I'll keep it by our stove. If you live in a super warm place, you're afraid it's going to get too warm, you can keep it in a little bit cooler place, but the idea is to keep it at a temperature where the bacteria can do their thing. If they're too cold, they go to sleep. If they're too hot, I don't know, it bakes itself into a little loaf. I don't know. Okay, that's it. See you at the next round.